everybody. Hope you doing well. First of all, I'm really sorry for this late, and here we are to talk about I used to Unit 36. As you can see here, Dave, a few years ago, I worked in a factory. Dave, today, I work in a supermarket. I used to work in a factory. Dave used to work in a factory. Now he works in supermarket. He used to work. It's for past. He works. It's for now, present. Dave used to work in a factory means he worked in a factory before, but he doesn't work there now. It's for past, guys. So we use used to when one mentions something in the past. All right? Okay, let's continue. Like, um, you can say I used to work, she used to have, they used to be, and etc. So we use I, you, they, he, she, and it when we want plus it with used to, and then after used to, we use simple verb like be, eat, work, have, play, drink, and etc. As you can see here, there are some examples. When I was a child, it's for past. Okay, I'm not child right now. When I was a child, I used to like chocolate. Okay, I used to read a lot of books, but I don't read much these days. So I used to read a lot of books. It's for a past. All right, guys. Lisa has got short hair now, guys, but used to be very long. So for past, it was long, but now short hair. They used to live in the same street as us. So we used to see them a lot, but we don't see them much these days. It's for past, guys. Okay, it's for a past. It's for a past. Helen used to have a piano, but she sold it a few years ago, so she hasn't piano right now. Uh, okay, the negative uh, is I didn't used to. So if you want to say the negative form of used to, you should say didn't used to. Like when I was a child, I didn't used to like tomatoes. Guys, as you can see, we say used to, okay? Not used to. I didn't used to. Or the question is, did you used to? Or making question with this such a form of used to. You should say, did you used to? Where did you used to live before you came here? Where did you used to live? Used to plus simple word before you came here. Okay, part C. We use used to only for the past. The importance here, past, used to for past. Let me guys just connect them together with maybe just yeah, just the rough like this. Okay, you cannot say I used to for the present. I used to play tennis. These days I play golf. Not I used to play golf. We usually get up early, not we used to get up early. Okay? Okay, here guys. Exercises 36.1. Look at the pictures. Okay, we have 6 pictures here. Complete the sentences with used to. For example, number 1. This is me. Few years ago, she used to have long hair. Okay. Number 2. When I was younger, he. Number 3, 4, 5, 6. It's on you. So please pause the video, answer them, and let's continue together. Okay, guys. Now we have answers. Number 2, he used to play football. Number 3, I used to be a taxi driver. Number 4, they used to live in the country. Number 5, he used to wear glasses. And number 6, this building used to be a hotel. 63, uh, sorry guys, sorry, 33.2. Karen works very hard and has very little free time. A few years ago, things were different. Karen a few years ago, Karen now. Guys, as you can see, we have here, do you do any sport? Yes, I swim every day and I play volleyball. So I should say she used to swim every day because it's for past. Okay, guys, now pause the video, answer this. But I will say the right answers right now. So pause the video and I will say it just. Number 2. Number 2, the right answer is she used to play volleyball. Number 3 is uh, actually, she used to go out most evening, or you should say she used to go out a lot. Number 4. Number 4 is she used to play the guitar. Okay, she used to read a lot. She used to like readings, and she used to go away 2 or 3 times a year, or she used to travel a lot. Okay, exactly all of this here. Okay, that's right, but it's for past. So we should make it to the right now. Right now, all things are different because Karen works very hard and has a very lot of time. All right. If you have any question about it, just ask it in the comment. 36.3. Complete the sentences. Oh, complete the sentences used to, or the present simple. It's a real important question. So pause the video right now and answer them. Okay, guys. Number 1 and 2 is obvious. Number 3, do you have a car? No, I used to have one, but I sold it. Number 4, George used to be a waiter. Now he's a manager of a hotel. Number 5, do you go to work by car? Sometimes, but most days I go or travel with train. Number 6, when I was a child, I never used to eat it, but I eat it now. Number 7, Marian loves watching TV. She watches TV every evening. Number 8, we used to live near the airport. Oh, guys, I lost the page. Okay, but we moved to the city center a few years ago. Number 9, normally I start work at 7 o'clock, so I get up very early. Number 10, what game did you used to play when you were a child? So that was really easy, I think. So if you have any questions, just write it down. We can cover it together and answer them together. Have a nice day. Thanks.